got it jumping.
Eli. Alright.
Hold up, what? You made this?
Dilly. That temptation kills. Popping tags and popping pills. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Everybody keep on sleeping on deal. Blood, sweat, tears, man, look what I spill. Spotify looking ideal. Why every day I be in my pills? I know son, I got paying my bill. Devil alive, but Satan is real. In the street, killer be killed. And everybody just keep taking they pill. I let the pride get the best of me. I want the fame. That's a necessity. All of the shade, that was affecting me. All of the praise, that was a check to me. Got in my bay, they get the rest of me. Sometimes I'm way too obsessed with my legacy. Ignore the angel and change he was begging me for. Okay, man, what is you taking me for? Apathy feel more like hate to the poor. Hypocrites, I cannot take anymore. Especially when the chief of offense is staring at me in the mirror, of course. Lately in prayer, I've been shutting my mouth and I'm thinking that maybe I'm hearing him right. It's funny that once I let go of my fears, it feel like that maybe I'm fearing him more. I hit her up with ... then block them, just so they lost in thought. I do not wrestle against flesh and blood, just lies and lust and pride and God. I think I won my fight with God, came away limping, they think I'm pimping. I hope you listen to things that I'm spitting, it's fire. Imagine if you were my dentist. See, there go the pride that eat me inside, that leave me to die. Yeah, I'm treating God like a genie, I think I'm a genius. I need an arena, I'm hot as a chili, I'm Anthony Kiedis, I got one with killing.
Hold up. So how you made this?
I can't help myself. I can't help myself. I'm so hot, I may melt myself. Big steppin', 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 big steppin'. God on my side, big steppin'. We down the ride. I got God on me, I got God on me. Why they mad at me, lying on me? Why he fired on me? I got fire on the sides on me, switching sides on me. Tell me why, homie. Eyes on me, got that light on me, and it's bright on me. Steppin' like I'm Shaq and I'm ballin' like Kobe. Keep it 100, I'm keeping it holy. Bible on my lap and I'm keeping it on me. Reach for the world and I reach for the homie. Big steppin', put on holes in the ground when I walk. Killing demons outline, I'm on the ground with the chalk. Only pull up to your city, the whole town finna talk. King of Kings got a shining like a crown in the dark. About to shake the game like a soda pop. Mobbing in Jerusalem while you was on the block. Blue steppin', blue checkin', now we on the top. Big steppin', size 14, ain't no Photoshop. I can't help myself, I can't help myself. I can't help myself, I'm so hot, I may melt myself. Big steppin', 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 big steppin'. God on my side, big steppin'. We down the ride.
Left foot, right foot, sliding like Michael. 10 toes down, but my eyes on the Lord. Head bow, eyes closed, hand on the Bible. What's a tuk-tuk to a double-edged sword? But to infinity, Millie rock when I walk with the Trinity. It's gon' take a lot of damn to get rid of me. Got a rock in a sling for a Philistine.